Inig-abri diha, paniod ko na ito na ilang sudan. So, pagkaon dito, hinluan din rin. Pagbalik nila, hinlo ng convention hall. Tapos kagayan, Grand Caprice ang paniod to. Ang panihapon, datos OIC. Pagsunod, dato na po sa Xavier Estate. Hala, you spend a lot of vehicles going there. And it's not easy. So this is why we say community-based, so that when you go to an area, like in Bukidnon or in Camiguin, you can stay with the families. Now this is now universal in its existence all over the world. We have what we call already a bed and breakfast, or we call this homestay. So whatever is the food brought on the table is the food that you're going to eat. So we say bed and breakfast because you sleep and then they give you breakfast. So this is community-based. Another examples, like in hotels and resorts. In Camiguin, for example, when you used to be the tourism officer, ang Osaka beach resort cannot purchase a washing machine that's more than 50 kilos.